fried chicken मेरी काला फ्री ना मैं पूरे रहे हैं ना
Southern fry.
सलामकुम सर क्या हाल चाल है
अमर करो ब्रो
मैंने कहा सलामकुम सर क्या हाल चाल है आपका
Manager the moment do not hear brother
हाँ
the moment do not hear manager
manager
yeah you manager ask you yeah
no is this a Pakistani restaurant
no yeah Southern fried chicken barbecue 349 Southern we have 1 pound 20 pizza
2.3 pizza
1 pound 20p pound
I'm sorry
1 pound 20p 1 pizza 4 topping
okay let me have a 1 pizza then
yeah go ahead topping brother
okay the topping is whenever you're ready
onion mushroom jalapeno green pepper tandoori chicken spicy chicken beef pepperoni tuna spicy beef spicy chicken
okay I want tomatoes jalapeno peppers
fresh tomato
yeah tomato
yeah
and jalapeno yeah jalapeno
yeah
and then onion
yeah
and mushroom
how many pizza
2
pizza that's it
no some more I need some more toppings
go ahead
okay chicken and black olives yeah pineapple
brother busy me time knows
I know let me think what else I need
yeah pineapple
the pepper green peppers
how many
huh
how many pizza
2 man
4 pizza total
yeah
4 pizza yeah the first one fresh tomato jalapeno onion mushroom 2 pizza the second chicken broccoli pineapple green pepper 2 pizza yeah
it's jalapeno not jalapeno
jalapeno
no jalapeno man
no understand jalapeno who is this language
man this is Eastern okay don't play with me like with this
jalapeno is brother jalapeno
no it's jalapeno
okay
okay then what else I ordered
okay jalapeno okay
jalapeno
that's it
huh
that's it
yeah and you got the onion right
huh
you got the onions
yeah
huh and tomatoes
hello
yeah
can I help you
yeah I need to place an order for 2 pizzas
what topping
okay onions tomatoes what else do you have
I don't know green peppers black olive pineapple chili tandoori spicy beef
what else
that's it
what about the jalapeno peppers
we have that
now tell me this is it jalapeno or it's jalapeno jalapeno right
yeah
okay now tell me this do you have black olives
yeah
okay give me black olives
yeah
and give me pepperoni
how many do you want this
hold on give me like a lollipop lollipop oh my God